Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Memoji on Android. Here are the steps to make a Memoji, like avatar, on Android using the Bitmoji app. Since Memoji is exclusive to Apple, first, unlock your Android phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Bitmoji, hit enter, and install the app. Open the Bitmoji app by tapping open after installation. Sign up with email or Snapchat. Create an account or log in, or tap on create avatar. Then tap on link to Snapchat if you have Snap, or use email. So I choose link with Snapchat. Now hit agree and connect. Now let's go to avatar. Here, customize your avatar's face shape, hair, eyes, and skin tone. Use the scroll feature on the bottom panel to explore features. Customize clothing on the top section and accessories on glasses, then headwear section. Tap the check mark or save once done. Explore your new Bitmoji stickers. On stickers panel, these act like your Memoji on Android, and you can use it in the apps like Snapchat. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.